Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am back with this new AI agent which I have created to automate my real estate agency business. And to create this AI agent, all I needed was this knowledge base which I have created in my Google Docs account and the subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp AI agent will work. So for that, I just have to go on my WhatsApp account, and now inside this particular chat, when I will enter this particular keyword hello, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly and it will reply me with a welcome message. So here you can see this WhatsApp chatbot has replied me with the welcome message, hello, how can I assist you today? Now I just have to ask some question from this particular AI agent. So for my questions, you can see inside this knowledge base, I have created this in a format of question and answer. Now whatever question I will choose from here and I will copy it from here, and when I will ask this same question inside this chat, you will see that this AI agent will reply me instantly with the same text that I have added just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. So here I have received this exact same text which I have added here. Now to show you, I will ask one more question from here. So let me just copy this particular question and paste it inside my WhatsApp account. Then when I will send it, you will see that automatically this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me with the same answer that I have pasted just below this particular question. So you just saw how easy it is for me to ask my queries from this particular AI assistant. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing AI assistant for yourself. So to start creating this AI agent, we will go on a new tab, and there we will enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the top right corner you will see that these two buttons, sign in and sign up free, are visible to you. So if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button, and if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing AI agents and WhatsApp chatbots. Now before moving further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then you just have to check out the link that I will paste in the description box of this video. Now as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow to create an AI agent for ourselves, that's why I will click on this access now button, and after that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the description box. We have added separate videos explaining each of these following features there. Now after adding your WhatsApp number to create an AI assistant for yourself, you can see in the left column here this AI assistant feature is given to us. So I will click on this AI assistant features, and then you can see these are all the AI assistants which I have created for myself. So this is the exact same AI assistant which I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, let me deactivate this particular AI agent because I am going to create this exact same AI agent with you guys. So first of all, I will deactivate this AI assistant from here, but before this I have to deactivate this AI agent from my inbox inside my particular chat. So I will open my inbox, and in here you can see for this particular chat I have activated this particular AI assistant. So I will deactivate that from here, and I will select this status as open. Now I will click on this save button. Now I will open again this AI assistant, and now I can successfully deactivate this AI agent from here. So here I have deactivated this AI agent. Now to start creating a new AI assistant, I will click on this button add AI assistant, and after that, first of all, I have to give a meaningful name to my AI assistant. So I will give it a name as new AI agent for real estate agency, and then I will click on this add AI assistant button. After that, I will get directed on this particular page, and here we have to work on these 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and this styling. So first of all, let us work on this first step, AI instructions. So for this instruction type, I will click on this drop down and I will select this particular type, AI agent, because I want to create an AI agent for myself. Now inside this instructions box, you can enter the particular instructions for your AI assistant, that how it should respond to your users, and it must include the key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. So if you want to add any more details inside this particular box, then you can do that by typing that particular detail manually. So as I do not want to add anything else here, so I will move further, and for this AI configuration, you can see inside this temperature box, this 0.5 has been set automatically, and this temperature sets how creative the AI's answer are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So that's why to maintain a balance, the 0.5 has been set automatically. But if you want to increase or decrease the temperature, then you can do that by clicking on these arrows given on the right side here. And for the select AI to use drop down, I will click on this and I will select this particular open AI. And then for this model, I will select this particular model GPT-4 or mini for myself, but you can select any other model given on the list here. And then we have to enter this API key inside this particular box. And to get this API key, first of all, you have to get a subscription of OpenAI, and after that, when you will click on this hyperlink given here, you will get directed directly on this particular OpenAI platform. And in here, to create a secret key, you just have to click on this button, create new secret key. Then after giving a name to this particular secret key, when you will press this create secret key button, automatically this secret key will get created. So I will just copy this secret key from here and I will paste it inside this particular API key box like this. After that, when I will press this connect button, this API key will get saved successfully. So here our key is saved successfully. So for this AI assistant settings, you can see these 5 different features are given to us. So to use them, I just have to turn them on from here, and then I have to enter the particular text inside these boxes. So as I do not want to use my header, so I will turn it off, and the same goes for this footer. If I want to use this, then I will turn it on, but if I do not want to use this, then I will turn it off. Now for this stop keyword, I will turn it on from here, and then inside this stop keyword box, I will enter this particular keyword stop, and then press this enter button to successfully add this keyword. Now this stop keyword will work whenever your customer will type down this particular keyword in their chat to stop getting replies from your AI assistant. And this retry attempt, I will turn it on from here, and inside this particular box, I can enter retry attempts in the range of 1 to 10 to give retry attempts to my customer. So as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And for this fallback message, you can see this particular message has been entered inside this box. I can also change this if I want to, but as I do not want to change it, so I will let it written as it is. Now you can see this fallback message will get displayed to your customer when the AI assistant's API is not responding correctly. And with this, I have successfully completed this first step of ours. So let us move towards this knowledge source. So inside this knowledge source, we have to upload a file, and which must be unique to our business, and it must include FAQs, company background, and more that my chatbot can utilize when answering questions. And the size of this particular file must be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are, you can see, this .txt and this .pdf. So now you can see inside my Google Docs, I have already created this knowledge base for myself. So to download this knowledge base, I will click on this file, and from here I will click on this download button. Now I will select this particular format plain.txt to download this particular PDF for myself. So I will click on this save, and here my WhatsApp AI knowledge base is downloaded successfully. Now inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, I will just drag this knowledge base from here and I will drop it in here. After that, you will see that my knowledge base will get uploaded successfully. And with this, I have also completed this knowledge source. So I will move towards this assistant interface. Now inside this display heading name, you can see this is the display heading name. So I can also change it. So I will enter my brand name inside this particular box, this Pabbly. And for this display subheading name, this we are online and happy assist you to is written. So you can also change this if I want to. And for this initial message, you can see one message has already been entered, and you can add one more message as there can be only 2 initial messages. So after typing this word, when I will press this enter button, this message will get added successfully. And you can see for this powered by Pabbly, this is the powered by Pabbly. You can enable or disable it from here. And for this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink which you can create by typing down the text inside this particular box and pasting the link inside this particular footer link box. And for this user first message, I need help has been written. You can also change this if you want to. Now we will move towards our final step. This is styling. So inside this is styling, you can change how your WhatsApp AI assistant will look to your customer. So for this theme mode, I can select the theme as light or dark, or I can also change the shape of my assistant as circle, square or round square, or I can also change background color or anything if I want to. But for now, I will let them remain as it is. And here I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp AI assistant. So I will turn this WhatsApp AI assistant on from here, and then I will click on this save AI assistant button. After that, if I want to use this AI assistant from my website, then I just have to click on this embed button given on the right here, and then when I will copy this script from here and I will paste it inside my website, then this WhatsApp AI assistant will work from my website. Now I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp AI assistant. Now I just have to activate this WhatsApp AI assistant inside my chats. So I will open my inbox, and in here for this particular chat, I will click on this choose AI assistant, and from this drop down I will select this particular AI assistant, and then I will click on this save button. After that, this WhatsApp AI assistant will work for this particular chat. Now if you are wondering that how you can assign this AI assistant for bulk of your chats, then for that you just have to go on the settings given on the left side here, and from here you have to select this inbox settings. Now inside this inbox settings, you just have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you have to click on this particular button, enable AI auto replies, and then from this drop down here you have to select the contact list that you have created for yourself, and then from the second box here you have to select that particular AI agent which you want to enable for that particular list. And when you will click on this save button, then this WhatsApp AI agent will get enabled for all of your contacts that you have added in this particular list. Now I will go back on my WhatsApp account to see if this WhatsApp AI agent is working properly or not. So this is my WhatsApp account, and in here, as soon as I will send this particular message hello, you will see that instantly this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered and it will send me a welcome message. So here I have received this welcome message. Hello, how can I assist you today? Now I will ask some more questions from this particular knowledge base to this particular AI agent. So this time I will copy this question, what are the payment options, and when I will paste it inside my WhatsApp chat, you will see that instantly this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me with the exact same text that I have added just below this particular question. So here I have successfully received this AI agent's response. This means that my AI agent is working properly. So this is how you can create such an amazing AI agent for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp AI assistant to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit this particular website. So now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account with Pabbly Chatflow.